So going to visit both Ganeshas. It's not going more faster. Okay, so we have started our journey from Hampi. So I have taken a guide, a beautiful person named Hanuman. So he is with me. He will guide me for the entire day. So you are in the video. Say hello.
Hello, hi.
Okay, so we are taking this vehicle today, and we are going to see places. So please guide me the route.
Sir, we are going at first to visit a big Ganesha. And we are riding our bike from Hampi Bazaar.
Yeah, Hampi Bazaar.
Hampi Bazaar. Where they were selling only jewelry 500 years ago.
Okay.
Gold, silver, diamonds,
So
gems.
this entire area is the bazaar.
Yeah, 700 meters.
Okay, so we are in the bazaar area,
Yeah,
and
we
it's
are in
around
Hampi Bazaar.
700 meters. Okay.
In 2011, archaeological people removed everybody
Okay.
from here because they decided to do excavation, restoration.
So the bazaar was around
Yeah,
here.
right side and left side, both you can see.
Okay.
This bazaar end, this is like towards the monolithic bull, and from there along with the river, 1.5 kilometers, that's Vitala temple.
Okay. So which way?
Right turn. We're going up the hill.
Okay.
Stop. Big Ganesha.
Yeah. So this thing is quite exciting for me as well. It's quite new.
Yeah.
Like I never hired a bike and drove in an unknown city. So I think it's better to have your own vehicle rather than taking any public transport or autos.
Sure.
Like you can have your own time to explore things.
Yeah.
So going to visit both Ganeshas. It's not going more faster.
Okay, please go. Go on the top of the hill.
Okay. So it's very slow vehicle. And it's very frustrating for me to drive a slow vehicle like this. So we have arrived here to see the Ganesha. This is up the hill. People from all around the places come here. Okay, so they start their day with like praising the Lord Ganesha, and then they
Keep walk to visit the big Shiva temple. Because from
Okay.
here you can walk to Virupaksha in 200 meters.
okay. So it's a walking distance from here.
Yeah. Towards Virupaksha. Like left side, walking distance. By road we came round, that's all.
Okay.
And this was like main entrance for Hampi Bazaar 500 years ago. Like Mahadwar.
Okay.
You know, now we have a road to bring our car, to bring our bus,
Yeah.
to bring bike.
Yeah.
But 500 years ago, this was the entrance to Hampi Bazaar.
Okay.
See, after the entrance, first we have Ganesh temple.
Yeah.
Then we have Shiva temple.
Where is the Shiva temple?
Down there. You can
Okay.
see it from there.
Okay.
Shiva is Virupaksha.
Okay. Okay.
Virupaksha is local name for Shiva.
Yeah.
Hakka Bukka, the two brothers, are the founders of this Vijayanagara Empire. 1336, they start this empire. They have selected this Hampi location to start their empire because Hampi is more safe. It's all surrounded by rocks. Looks like natural protection wall.
Yes.
So we are here to see the second Ganesha statue,
The small Ganesha.
smaller one, popular by name Sasive Kalu Ganesha.
Sasive Karlu Ganesha.
Sasive Kalu means in Kannada language mustard seed.
Okay.
Story is there in 1506, one of the person who came Hampi to sell mustard, he gave his money to make this Ganesha.
Okay.
Like that he is popular as mustard Ganesha. Also one piece of stone, 2.5 meter height. Unfortunately, it is also
Destroyed.
not functioning. So back then the common people was coming here to pray him, they using that way to go up the hill Hemakuta,
Yeah.
down the hill Virupaksha temple,
Okay.
which is the sunset point in Hemakuta.
Yeah,
So I mean from both sides you can go to Virupaksha. From big Ganesha that side, from small Ganesha this side.
Okay. Okay.
The speciality of this Ganesha is, if we observe him from back side,
Mm-hmm.
that is back shape has woman shape, has a lady shape. So we have to guess Parvati hugging her son in front.
Okay.
This is her back only. Go to that
Okay. So we have visited both the Ganesha temple. Yeah, and now we are going to visit the Krishna temple.
Yeah.
Okay, so I am parking just beside the bus. This shadow over here, so I'm parking my moped over here.
10 meters. No problem.
Okay.
Street between Krishna Bazaar and Hampi Bazaar. Okay. This is the old and the street. You can see all the. Now I'm showing you Krishna temple, and in front of this Krishna temple, Krishna Bazaar. This bazaar for the food grains, rice, dal, vegetables, spices, they were selling. It's built by King Krishna Deva Raya, exactly in 1513. Then the King Krishna Deva Raya, he attacked on Orissa and he defeated their king in Orissa, Gajapati Pratapa Rudra. For that great moment, on the way back from Orissa, he brought one small idol of Krishna from there and he built this Krishna temple for Krishna. Now there is no idol to see us there. That small idol has been destroyed,
Okay.
but the remaining part of it in Chennai Museum.
Chennai Museum.
Chennai, Madras, Britishers. They took it from here and they kept it there. That's why it's not functioning temple. Just turn around. For every big temple, you will see one big water tank. What you are looking now there, Pushkarani. You can see water
Pushkarani
now.
means water.
Yeah, Pushkarani means water tank.
Yeah.
Holy water tank. This fish facing this
Vishnu.
direction. Of course, Vishnu's avatar, Matsya. But in this place, what I can tell you, this is direction for water. Indication for water.
Okay.
Back then people was understanding if they want water to drink. Not only
Yeah.
Pushkarani, they will have also some well for drinking water and all.
Okay.
This is symbol of that.
Okay.
Look at the top, the ceiling, the rabbit, snake, round thing and the two snakes. With these four sculptures, we can understand about the lessons of eclipse. Rabbit, symbol of moon. The round thing with the red color is the sun. The two snakes are there. Two snakes are symbol of Rahu and Ketu.
They are trying to gulp the sun and lunar and solar eclipse.
and lunar eclipse. Lesson.
Yeah.
Sometimes. Both sides the two main mountains are there, right and left side. We call them Ganga and Yamuna. The rivers of India.
Rivers. Yeah.
This side, it's a one big stone, okay? Bottom to the top. And you have all Vishnu avatars on the pillar. Dashavatara, I told you.
Yeah.
Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana, Rama, again Rama, today we have Rama. In the middle you have this Mantapa, it's called Maha Mantapa in this temple. In every big temple, you will have one big Mantapa. Its common name, Maha Mantapa. In some other temple, they were using this Maha Mantapam as a marriage hall, you know, dancing hall for religious activities. Now it's for nothing because it's not active temple.
So we have seen the Krishna temple. Now we are going to the Pushkarani. This is assumed to be a lake or pond kind of thing with holy water. So these things, these pillars, they indicate a bazaar area over here which existed quite a long year ago. Now it's all ruins. The weather is quite good over here. It's not too humid, not too hot, and it's a good time to visit Hampi and explore these things. This place, this area was the bazaar area. These things, these pillars, still standing very tall and very strong. So we are inside that Pushkarani. How beautiful it is. This is, I think, the water pipe system. Like water used to come from here and it went to this pond or Pushkarani. So that's it from this Pushkarani side, this pond. More videos later. Hasta la vista. Ciao.